What is up, EHW fam? This is Avocado. I wanted to take a moment because I'm in the process of restoring some old corrupt SSDs that I screwed up at various stages over multiple installs during the Team Cup, and I thought it would be a valuable video to show people how to recover their SSDs when they think they've formatted them, and then they go to install a fresh copy of Windows, and Windows says, no, I can't install onto that, and you get frustrated, go through multiple attempts, but you just can't seem to recover it. I'm going to show you how to do that using DiskPart to actually completely clean that disk. So if you go to your search bar, type CMD, right-click, run as administrator, and you can expand the window. And you type disk part and you're in. So if you notice this disk, so here's my main disk with my OS on it, C, and then even though I've formatted and cleaned the SSD, there's still a system reserved, and that creates problems when you're trying to do fresh installs of Windows. So what we're going to do is we're going to type list disk, and it's going to show them both. So we have my primary is disk 1 and disk 0 is the one we're looking to fix. So we're going to say select disk 0, type list volume, and we've got a bunch going on there. Okay, so back to list disk. We're going to type clean. Type list partition. There's no partitions, and if we go back to list volume, we're going to see everything that you would expect to see with your main SSD. So see some of the protected files, system files, and things like that. That's what we want to see. So back to list disk, and we're still on 0. And we're going to go to create partition primary. And it did it. So if we type list partition, we'll see it there. Now, if we type list volume again, we're going to see it. But as you can see, it still says raw right here. So volume 0 raw. There's a partition there, but it's completely raw. So what we have to do is assign it a letter, and then it should automatically register on the OS and ask you to format. So we're going to say assign assign letter equals D. And it prompts you. You format the disk. I usually do default, and I label everything that is clean, that's been used, clean. Let it format. It's complete. Close. And now if you go back into, you'll notice that it's just your OS SSD and the one that you've completely fixed. Now this disk right here is completely clean and formatted and should be good to go again for any OS install that you may need it for, whether it be Team Cup or for an extra rig or whatever have you. Hope this was helpful. Hope that some of you could end up restoring some of your old screwed up drives that you didn't think was possible. Anyway, thanks.